shines if you hide your eyes. I tried to visit your neighbor. You drew a line in the back of your mind. I said there wasn't any lying, and you tried to take the truth away. And you thought that you were safe in the dark, and you tried to hide it yesterday. But tomorrow is never denied. The light still shines if you hide your eyes. Found a way to be happy. You found a way to destroy your dream. Although your face was always smiling, you couldn't ever have the guilt away. And you thought your day would never be done, and you thought the night would never fall. But tomorrow is never denied. The light still shines if you hide your eyes.